feel your pain, guys. I know you can't find a caravan that you want to travel long term because it lacks storage, it lacks wardrobe space, it lacks a lot of things, it lacks a large shower mold. But guess what, guys? I have found it for you. Stay with me on this walkthrough as I reveal how much storage this van has got. And this van has got probably more storage than what I do at home. And I have a lot of storage at home as well, let me tell you. So this is introducing the Blue Sky Tuscany 23 footer. Now when we talk about home away from home caravans, this is the one. It's a semi-off-road, built on rock and roll suspension. You can upgrade that to off-road. We've got an extended A-frame with large toolbox, dual sliders. It has a tier weight of 24.95. Not bad for this size van. 3,200 ATM. And a ball weight of 192, so about 700 kilos of payload. About a 19-foot awning here. We've got storage right here as well, plus your tunnel boot over there. It's riding, like I said, on a 6-inch drawbar chassis with 16-inch wheels. Rock and roll suspension, which we can upgrade. You've got the picnic table. We've got 2 annex lights. And then we come down the back here, reversing camera as well. The spare tyre. 225 amp lithium batteries on board, 420 watts of solar, so we can add more solar and more battery power as well. And also as well, it's got good water capacity of 295 litre fresh water and a 95 litre grey water tank as well. Now that sums up the outside. Let's go inside. This is where the kicker is, guys. All right, check this out, guys. So we walk in to the home away from home caravan. This is what this one is, trust me. Look at all this. We've got 2 hanging robes there, and we've got more hanging robes right there. And also we've got another cupboard which we're going to touch on now. Now, the point is right here is that you could design this however you want. If you're a folder, we could put in shelves, so we could have 2 hanging, 2 shelf. But the beauty about Sunrise Caravans is we can customize this to your liking. And look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers underneath. And then we come over here. Now this is what we call smart. This gives you access to your tunnel boot. So if you've got stuff stuck in the middle right here and you know it, well, you can access it from the inside as well.
That's clever.
Yeah, that's very clever. And you come right here, Sunrise Mill. I know this is one of your favorite compartments. But check out how deep that is. Now, Sunrise Mill, what would we put there, you reckon?
We would put blankets. We would put our winter gear, especially if you're travelling throughout different seasons.
Smart, I like that. Yeah. It's away, you don't have to see it, but you can access it when you need it. Check out all the cupboards above the bed and the L shape. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 overhead cupboards. And look how much room the east-west bed gives you as well. It doesn't feel cluttered like your traditional north-south. And Sunrise Mill, one of the main things that customers always point out why they love the east-west bed?
Why do they love the east-west bed?
Yeah.
Well, firstly, there is no wardrobes enclosing you at the head of the bed. And secondly, it just makes it so much easier to make.
There we go.
Yep.
Spoken from a woman's point of view. Love it. You've got the bedside tables and more storage underneath as well.
Hotel on wheels.
Mate, absolutely. And look, you've got the TV right there. Watch it in bed or watch it from the lounge. Now let's talk about the lounge, guys. If you're bringing a third person or your pet, this drops down to form another bed. How cool is that? You've got the fan over here. Check out how much bench area we have. Full stove and oven. I love the recess tops, so we can utilize that bench wherever we need to. Set of drawers right there, and 2 overhead cupboards as well. Microwave and your radio right there. 2-door 188 litre compressor fridge. And behind door number 10.
Door number 10.
We got the full height roll out pantry. Is there anything that this van doesn't have? Seriously, look at all that storage. Like I said, if you're traveling long term and want to do the lap around Australia but haven't found a van that you're going to do it in because it lacks storage, it lacks cupboard space, it lacks openness, this is the van for you. Now let's come into the ensuite area. Now I like sitting on the toilet, but I love the openness of this ensuite. I really, really do. And what I also love here is what Blue Sky did. I put a little compartment right there, so you can use that as a linen cupboard, you can use it as a laundry basket. Sunrise Mel said you can put your toilet rolls in there. There's so many different ways you can use this cupboard. Now guys, what I want you to share in the comment section is, would you like a linen cupboard right there, or would you like it open like this? Now I don't mind either one, but I love this. I love how open it is. Beautiful hand basin. 1, 2, 3 more overheads, and your top loader washing machine as well. Now this is another massive feature. Massive. Check out how large. This is one of the largest shower molds in the industry. I can't even spread out that much, you know what I mean? My wingspan is pretty big, but I can't even touch elbow to elbow. That's how large this shower mold is. There's probably 1, 2, there's probably 3 of us that can fit in here. So another great feature on this van to complement the storage, to complement the cupboards, is the large shower mold. Hey guys, what did you think about that walkthrough? Man, was that epic or what? I want you to put it in the comment section. What feature of the van? Now, there are many features, but what features impressed you the most? Was it all that hanging space? Was it all the cupboard space? Was it the ensuite? Was it the large shower mold? Was it the full height roll-out pantry?
Was it Caravan Steve's walkthrough?
Mate, that's exactly right as well. Also as well, put in the comment section to make this the ultimate ultimate home away from home caravan. What other features would you add here that would make it the perfect van to tour around Australia? Want to know more? Why don't you visit our dealership, Sunrise Caravans? We're located at 290 Eastern Service Road here in beautiful Burpengary, Queensland. Or you can give us a call, 07388 4455, or you can send us an email, sales@sunrisecaravans.com.au. Now these are some of the many vans that we have here on display. What do we have on display? Usually we've got family caravans, off-road, off-grid. Off-grid, we specialise in that. Did I say family?
Single axle, yes you did.
Yeah, single tandem axle. Or guys,
Aluminium frame.
If you've got a layout that no one else wants to do for whatever reason, you can come to us, we'll sit down, and if we can build it, we would definitely build it. There is not much that we can't do here at Sunrise Caravan. We can customise a van to your liking. So why wait? Come and see the team right now. We're open Monday to Saturday, 8:30 to 5 on Friday. Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 2 p.m. on Saturdays as well. Now you two, whoever buys a caravan from Sunrise Caravans, let me tell you, you two will have a smile on your face just like mine. Alrighty guys, stay tuned for the next walkthrough video. Can't wait to see us all there, and yeah, stay safe.